this wireless earbud. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Johnny here, and today I'll be unboxing this wireless earbud. Alright, which is something which I got from Shopee at during the recent 11/11 sale. Alright, so let's get to it. Let me get the scissors. So this was something which I got from Shopee. Alright, it was listed as $37. Right, as $37. The promotional price was like $15.46. Yeah, like $15.50. And after I applied all the Shopee vouchers and the coins, it came down to about $13.90. Yeah. Right. Wow, it's really well sealed. Kudos to them. Right. Okay, so what else is inside? Oh, that's not bad. They gave a free gift. I do not know what is this. This is a gift. I even get the gift. Not too sure what is this. I'll get to see what is inside. Okay, so I'll put this aside. Okay, the free gift I'll put aside as well. So here we go. This is the True Wireless headset. Code name. It's named as F9. Alright. On the side it says real and wireless, wireless and unlimited. Why would they say that? Okay. Calling and music. Alright. Battery capacity. Right. It has Bluetooth 5.0. It has a fingerprint here. Not too sure what that means. Does that mean that this is like touch control? Well, let's see. Okay, let's go inside. Open up, bring out the content. Very basic packaging. Oh, okay. So let's put the box aside. So now once you open up, once you take out the content, it's pretty straightforward. Alright, so you have the charging case, which you see here. Alright, the charging case. Wow, it's huge. Okay, I'll do that in a moment. Alright, the earbud, you see here, there's an indication here that this is the right. Okay, so this one should be the left. Okay, you see from here, this is left. Okay, yep. So plastic, I'll put it aside. There's a lot of plastic here. Alright. Oh, nice. I love it when, you know, the shops, you know, the manufacturers, they gave the additional earbud, alright, in a Ziploc bag. Okay, so I presume it came pre-installed with the medium size. Okay, I'll put this aside as well. It comes with the authenticity card. Okay, qualified certificate. Put this aside. A charging cable, right? So it's on one end micro USB, on the other end USB-A. Alright, put this aside. Next, we have a user manual. It's English. Very good. Very, very good. Alright. Very, very nice. Okay. We'll put this aside. Alright. And then we get to the real thing. Now, this is a huge... This is a charging case and it's huge. My God. Let me remove the plastic cover first. Now, I have with me here the Xiaomi Redmi earbud. This is the charging case. Now you just put it side by side. My goodness. It's like big brother and little brother. Well, it's like, yeah, really huge. This is humongous and it's very heavy. It's very, very heavy. But it feels good when you grip it, you know. When you grip it. Yeah, it feels very good, very sturdy. Let's look at the case and open it up. Okay. Alright, so you see here, there's a groove here, left and right, and then there's a LED. I think this should be the power indicator. There's a couple of dots here. I think it might be the power indication as well. Okay. Right. The cover is pretty thin. It's a thin plastic. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see from here, it's a bit translucent. Okay, it's a bit translucent. As you can see the readings here through, okay, on the mat. Okay, so yeah. Okay, and okay, at the back you'll see, okay, there's two ports, one micro USB with an indication in, and then the USB-A as an out. So I would guess this is where you charge the charging case, and this one probably you can even use it as a power bank. Am I right? Let's see what the menu says. Yeah. Doesn't really says that it can actually use as a emergency power bank. Yeah. No. Doesn't really say anything about it being a power bank or what. Okay, so I'm gonna presume it's just there for design. Okay, it's not indicated here. Okay, because it says it's the micro USB is actually the charging in. Alright. Okay, so let's pop it in and see. This is the left. Nice. This is the right. Oh, this is nice. You see, and it comes almost 100% charged. The charging case, amazing, amazing. All right, then you can see the running lights. Yeah, the running lights. See, do 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 ding ding, and it repeats itself. All right. So when you close it, okay, it looks like this. Okay, and one thing to note is that when it's charging, the earbuds will be on red so that you know it's charging. And then, the lights here, the running LED lights, it's running from 1 dot to 4 dots so that you know it's actually charging. Very thoughtful. And then this is of course the power indicator to let you know how much power is inside. Alright. So with such a big charging case, I would expect it to have very big charge, to hold a very big charge. Right. Now, does it say anything? What I see here is that it says that now call time is about 3 to 4 hours for this one. Okay. Playtime is about 3 to 4 hours per charge. Okay, per charge. Battery type, okay. Charging time, it doesn't really say much about. Okay, there is no information on how much ampere, alright, how much power is inside the charging case. Right, so let me see if it's inside the Shopee. Okay, do they see anything? Okay, it says here it can charge 24 or 2000. Alright, beg my pardon. It's 2000 ampere. Alright, the charging case. It says that it can charge up to 25 times. Alright, 120 total 120 hours of music time, 150 hours of talk time. Wow. Right, okay. So the rest of it, you see it. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, it has charged about 1%. Okay, let's see if it is able, how easy it is to hook it up to a mobile phone. Okay. Okay, let's take out the earbuds. Okay. And I'll start charging it. There we go. Immediately F9-L pops up. Tap on it. Pairing. Pair. And it's paired. Okay, so I'm just gonna wear it. Wow. Well, okay. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Not bad. Alright. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so it's pretty easy to connect the earbud to the phone. basically it pops out immediately. All right, so my initial impression of this earbud, huge. That's my word, huge. Very big, very heavy. Product. Okay, I'm a bit lost for words. Okay, but the next couple of weeks, I'll be trying this product out. Just to test out the audio. When you're making calls and this kind of stuff, and then I'll give a review, and see whether is it really worth it. Okay, because when it's actually listed at one of the top 5 best-selling wireless earbuds in Shopee, but I'll be doing a review to see whether is it worth it. Alright, so till next time, thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please, it would be much appreciated, if you could like it, subscribe, and then share. Alright, so see you guys, bye bye.